Okay, we're sitting at the restaurant of the historic Turku Castle and we're about to enjoy a traditional Christmas meal. Here's a look at everything I got for the first plate. This here is a beetroot salad with pink cream.
It's made with the liquid of
The beet.
canned beetroots.
Oh, this here is a mushroom salad. It's like really light and fluffy. Maybe this is not very traditional. I haven't seen this. This is a potato pancake with sour cream, onion, and rainbow trout roll. I have the menu here on my phone. Oh, it's really salty. A quinoa salad. A lot of these salads are not really traditional. I think each family will have their own take on what to serve, along with the beetroot salad and the mushroom salad. Those are more traditional. Some of these other salads are just salads. Oh, this is squeaky cheese. I've explained it in a couple of other videos, but you can warm it up in an oven, and it's this like chewy cheese that makes a squeaky sound against your teeth as you're chewing it. Quinoa salad also has grapes and arugula and tomatoes and fresh figs. All right, next up we got a trio of casseroles. That's also part of a traditional Finnish Christmas meal. And it looks like baby food because it's just like mush. To start off, this is a carrot casserole. This is my favorite one because it's sweet. This one is a rutabaga casserole. Rutabaga is a root vegetable. It's also sweet and it has a little bit of a bitter aftertaste, kind of like white radish. And then this is my least favorite. It's a potato casserole. It just tastes really heavy and thick. How would you describe this versus mashed potatoes? He doesn't know. Is there like rice flour or something inside? And then we have Christmas ham. Christmas ham eaten with mustard, if you like mustard. It's kind of like a combination of honey mustard and Dijon mustard. It has more sugar and more vinegar. Pretty good. Christmas ham to Christmas is kind of like turkeys for Thanksgiving. You make it by yourself, and it's often judged on whether or not it's too dry, just right, moist. All right, we're back for round two. The only thing new here is archipelago bread with butter. It's this dark bread. It's not rye. What is it? Molasses?
I think there's some molasses and maybe malt.
Malt. And then we have boiled potatoes with dill. Another main dish is fish. I don't eat raw fish, so I'm not going to be trying the herring or the smoked fish. It's a log cake. Could have added some decorations on top. Okay, so that meal was actually a little bit disappointing and a little bit overpriced. The price for our meal was 45 euros per person. When you eat in Finland, taxes and tip is already included in the price. You don't have to tip separately. And my husband said that it was worth maybe 50 euros for the two of us. So instead of leaving you with negativity, we're gonna use our museum cards and show you around the castle. Alright, thanks for making it all the way to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I picked up a few postcards, and if you would like me to mail you one, please leave this castle emoji and I will randomly select 5 people to send these postcards to. If you enjoyed this video, I will link another video at the end cards for you to check out next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Moi moi!